Welcome to Superfoods and this channel on the best foods for your health and lifestyle. We put out informative videos about food and health and look forward to you subscribing and sharing your thoughts in the comments too. We go through leading websites and studies on the topics we put out and welcome suggestions and additions as well. We remind our viewers to explore our videos, discuss the foods, meals and diets with nutritionists or doctors, and add these items to your shopping lists as well. We have videos on 10 superfoods to boost memory, 10 superfoods to boost sleep, 10 vegan superfoods during pregnancy, 10 foods to avoid while pregnant, 10 protein-rich superfoods for people on the go, 10 superfoods against cancer, 10 superfoods for type 2 diabetes, and we welcome your suggestions too. Welcome to Superfoods.